A sustained strong growth momentum for MPIC. Sa unang 6 na buwan ng taon, pumalo sa 15 bilyon ang core net income ng Metro Pacific Investments Corporation. With all smiles, ibinalita ni EVP, Chief Finance, Risk and Sustainability Officer ng Metro Pacific Investments Corporation sa media briefing ang positibong resulta ng first half 2025 earnings ng korporasyon.
Consolidated core net income rising to 20% to 15 billion compared to 12.5 billion for the same period in 2024. This 15 billion core income, if everybody recalls, used to be our all-time full-year core income high in 2019 pre-pandemic. Now it's just our first half core income.
Ang pinubuting operational and financial performance ng MPIC portfolio ang nagpataas ng 18% sa contributions na umabot sa 17.5 billion pesos. Key driver ang Meralco na nakapag-contribute ng 11.2 billion pesos o 64% ng net operating income ng MPIC. Sumunod ang water and toll roads na parehas nag-ambag ng more than 3.8 billion pesos at 3.3 billion pesos o 41% ng net operating income. Tumaas din ang consolidated core net income ng Meralco ng 10% o 25.5 billion pesos dahil sa kontribusyon mula sa power generation at distribution utility businesses nito.
Second quarter, given the summer months, is the highest for Meralco, also for Maynila.
Mas mataas daw ang paggamit ng tubig at kuryente noong panahon ng tag-init na isa rin sa key driver sa mataas na sales sa buwan ng Abril hanggang Hunyo. Tumaas din ang toll revenues ng Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation sa 18% o 18.1 billion pesos.
Large daily vehicle entries in the systems for Philippines grew by 4%, flat for Indonesia, which actually contributes 67% of the entire traffic volume, with Vietnam declining by 5%.
Pero kahit na positibo ang resulta ng first half earnings ng MPIC, patuloy ang kanilang efforts para mapaganda pa ang kanilang services sa pamamagitan ng makabagong teknolohiya.
And again, if there are industries that we think there are good opportunities where we can inject new technologies to increase yield, increase quality, and decrease cost, then we'll be very interested in that.
Hindi lamang financial performance ang tututukan ng MPIC, kanila ring bibigyang pansin ang kanilang long-term value sa pamamagitan ng investments na may pinakamalaking impluwensya, gaya ng enerhiya, food security at inclusive infrastructure. Mobile Journal, Jas Paredes po, hatid ang muka ng balita.